Hey everyone, it's Mechanic on Rogue here. The key fob for my 2016 Volkswagen Golf has been acting up lately. Sometimes when it's cold out, my car won't unlock, and I've started getting a warning message telling me to replace the key battery. Fortunately, this is a very straightforward repair that requires next to no tooling. So, let's get into it. I'm going to take my key fob and flip out the key. This exposes a ledge along the edge of the fob. There's a cover on the back which I can now remove by pulling on the ledge. This reveals the insides of the fob, and right on top is a battery. I can see this is powered by a CR2025 coin battery, and it's orientated with the number side facing up. I need to make sure that my replacement battery is the same part and that I install it in the same position in order for the fob to work. I'm going to use a mini flathead screwdriver to pop the old battery out. That actually came out way better than I had planned. Now I can reverse the process and press my new battery in. Make sure to check if there's any plastic packaging covering the battery. That's got to come off before it's installed. All that's left now is to reinstall the back cover, and that's it. Now let's do a quick function test. Will you look at that? The message is gone. So that's it for me today. I hope you found this brief video informative and helpful. If you did, I got plenty more of these kind of videos on my channel, so check them out if you have time. You might find something else that you like. Until next time, thanks for watching. MGR signing out.